This video is brought to you by Factory Direct Trains. Visit factorydirecttrains.com and check out their wide selection of model railroading products and supplies. Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and it's time for another edition of Dollar Store Model Railroad Finds. Welcome back everybody. First of all, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you are eligible for the 5,000 subscriber contest. I'm going to be announcing the rules soon, so you'll definitely want to go ahead and hit that bell icon so that you can see the rules as soon as they come out. Now, on to the Dollar Store Model Railroad Finds. So my first item this time is a cutting board. Now, a lot of us don't have workbenches we can work on, and sometimes the hobby knives and the utility knives that we use can damage the work surfaces that we're using, and we really don't want them damaged. So a good cutting board is something that's really nice to have in those type of situations. Now my next item is a birdhouse, believe it or not. No, I am not going crazy. Don't worry, I can show you why I picked this. So we're going to go ahead and open up this little birdhouse right here, and we're going to see what's in the package itself. Now what we found here is a bunch of small sections of wood that are really neat and can be used for detailing a lot of different things. They can be cut up, they're very thin, very easy to maneuver, and that was $1 at the dollar store. My next item is a bag of decorative floral rocks that you put in some false floral arrangements, and to me, with a little bit of an ink wash or a little bit of paint wash or anything, these could be rocks that could go anywhere on a layout, and that was just really neat to me. They have several different varieties at the dollar store. My next item is actually my favorite that I picked on this particular round, and it was some faux moss stones. And if you're looking at these, you can tell me that these look exactly like puffball trees, and they're 10 to a pack, and I was just like, holy crap, I gotta grab these. You're gonna see these on my layout. So that's faux moss stones at the dollar store. And my last item actually is the board I was shooting this on. This is a piece of foam board that I found at the dollar store. I mean, pretty simple. We can use the foam board for a lot of different things on our model railroad, whether it's backgrounds or structures or different things that need some hard edges that are lightweight. So this piece of foam board was at the dollar store. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any great dollar store finds that you have found that I've never found, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for the 5,000 subscriber contest. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading!